Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do well, not really something different from the ordinary, but today's video is going to be me trying to use this particular hand gel that I bought. It's called Layered UV Paintless Builder Gel. Right there, I'm going to obviously open inside it to show you how this thing looks like. Before we started, I got this from Amazon, and yes, you all know that well, I usually get some of my stuffs from Amazon, and I like shopping with Amazon because I kind of get, sometimes I get discounts, and I've got Amazon Prime, so it delivers on time. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for something to chop this open, and it is going to be me trying to obviously sort my nails out, trying to make it stronger, because if you can see right there, it's almost splitting open, and I was obviously trying to do something, and this is like, it's been picking my hair whenever I do anything or try to scratch or whatever. Like, he's been picking things. So for me to make it stronger, I'm gonna obviously do this. I know you cannot see my face, but I remain the same person, obviously. So I'm gonna the demonstration is going to be basically on my fingers, so there's no need you seeing my face. Watch my other video, guys, if you want to see what I look like if you're not subscribed to my channel. So this is literally what this gel looks like. It's basically a clear gel, like proper clear gel. You can see it there, and it smells like nail polish. So I'm going to close it aside. I've got my LED light and my UV LED light, and I've got my Sally Hansen nail polish, which I love so much. It grows my nails. That's just the reason why my nails is like this. So it's a good one. I've got this right here to clean my nails, and I've got my file right there, and I have got my cuticle case there to take everything that I'll be needing, and I'm gonna leave it behind. And in here is going to be me taking some of my top base coats, top coats, and the alcohol slip solution in there. So it's going to be, did I just see right, it's dried up and I'm dead. Okay, I'm not dead. Right, I'm gonna figure something out again. I'm gonna be using my base coat, and I'm gonna be using my top coats right there. So the other things I'll be using, and I need a brush certainly for application. So I'm gonna find myself some brush while I pack this away. So I'm gonna try and get a brush that I'll be using. I think I'm going to be using a particular brush from here if I can't find any. So it's hard to bring out. I know I had another brush that I could have used, but I guess it's been used for something else. So I'm thought about using my Urban Decay brush, but I don't think. So I'm gonna use one of my brushes from here, obviously, one of the spare brushes I've got. And not forgetting, I have my lemon water right here to sip while I go ahead. So I'm gonna be using this brush today, or any one of them depending on how it goes. So I'm gonna move this thing over, and I'll start by filing my nails to obviously keep it to the shape I want it to be. So this step right here is just for the nails to be able to, for the product to be able to stick. You don't have to pop the front of your nails like so that you're having something else sticking there. So the next step is going to be a base coat, which I covered that and put it away. So that was what it looks like after applying that. So I'm going to apply the base coat. That is out. So I will avoid my cuticle because I wouldn't want my gel builder or any one of these to pull up at a point. So I will advise you should take precaution when putting this so that you're not touching any of your cuticles. So I'm gonna dry this out right now and I will go to this other hand. So let's go. Right, this is me drying the base coat, and after drying it, I'm gonna get closer to you. This is it. It looks so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some on the finger, and I will be back. We'll then go to the next step. So I'm back. I've done the two of them. This is what it looks like. I'm in love. I'm in love. Right, so this is over. I'm gonna cover it and then put it away. We'll go to the main product of the day, which is the builder gel. So I'm going to be using this brush. The particular brush I was supposed to use, like I said, I couldn't find it, so I'm going to use this particular one. So I'm going to pull it up right here and take some. I'm going to make sure I'm not making a mess. So you might be wondering, like, why are you putting all this? The reason why I'm putting all that is it helps me well, not break my nails, if that makes sense. Kind of help keep my natural nails strong. Instead of me to fix artificial nails, I'm better off doing this because I feel like it's better for me. I don't fix artificial nails, even though I've tried it before with the poly gel nail. I did it by myself and I wasn't comfortable with it, honestly. Taking that it's not my natural nails, so I decided obviously to do this particular one. So this is just literally applying it like a natural nail polish with a brush, but making sure that it's not getting to my cuticles or something like that, so that it's not going to pull up as time goes on. Just literally you putting artificial nails on, but clear artificial nails. So I'm going to come closer to the camera and show you. The thing with this is that it settles in at a point. When you put it in, it kind of settles in and stays clear and clean, like it settles in, if that makes sense. This is how beautiful this thing is. I'm so proud of myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry it up. I'm gonna dry it up and I will do this other nails and I'll be back. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I've done the other nails. I'm drying it and this is the one that has gotten ready. It's so pretty. It is so beautiful. I was able to secure that particular nails that was about coming off, you know, it was gonna break off, but I was able to secure it with this. So I'm gonna like get closer to show you the thickness of what I've done. It's not very thick, you know, I just made it like still natural nails, and you know, it's literally beautiful. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm still gonna make something. I feel like I'm gonna dip my hand, this finger, middle finger, into a glitter just to create some, you know, beautiful thing. So this is a glitter I want to be able to, I'm gonna get it open to show you guys. This is the glitter right there. I just really love it. Like, it's like ocean blue and like mixture of green. It's literally like chameleon color, if I must say. Yeah, so it's like when you're moving it around, it's showing you different colors, obviously. So I'm trying to like dip this finger into it, and I'm getting excited for what the result will be like. So I'm gonna try and pull out one of these brushes, and I'm going to, obviously it's not completely dry, so something will literally be able to go on it, just like that. So this is what I've done, just like one particular fingernail. I don't know how that looked, but it's just like, so that it's not white completely, so it's just like that. I thought I would have left it that way, but you know what, the next one I'm gonna do, it's not a problem, I'm definitely gonna leave it that way. But anyways, this is just what it looks like. Right, I'm gonna cover this and continue drying, and I will show you guys the final look, because right here it's not dried completely, and I'll come back and show you what the final look is, so please stay tuned. Hey guys, so it's time for the top coat. Did you know that I totally forgot about top coat? Not a joke. I forgot about it, but now that I remembered, it's not too late because it's not completely dried. So I'm gonna go ahead and obviously apply some top coat on this. Just a tiny layer, just to, I'm gonna dry and I'll come back. Hey guys, so I went ahead to use my cuticle cleaner, to clean around my nails to make sure that it's secured, because leaving it, obviously leaving it with the residue by the side is going to obviously pull your nails up on time. By the side of it, water probably enter by the side of it and get into your nails and pull it up. So you might want to use a cuticle remover to clean around the area, remove any residue by the side, which I did, and you can see it's very clean. And when I was applying this, I didn't apply around this area, around this cuticle area. I made sure that I pushed it upwards, like started from at least ½ inch up or thereabouts, or ½ inch up, and that was how I obviously got this. I went ahead to reapply a top coat on that one because I was cleaning it and I kind of went too deep, so I applied it top coat to obviously put it on the lamp. And while I was cleaning it, obviously there's no way you do this as an amateur nail or whatever I'll call myself, and you're not making a mess, at least at the front side of it or thereabouts. So you might want to like go ahead and clean it again. And yeah, so this is my, you know, I'm getting excited. This is literally my very first time of doing this. This is my short nails, which is my right nails. Obviously these nails, it has broken a lot. Well, that was like one of the reasons why I had to like do this as quick as possible. I've had this in the house ever since, but I couldn't be bothered doing it. But ever since my nails started splitting and breaking and all that, I felt like, you know what, there's a need to do this now before I lose all my nails. Another thing is, I'm going to do my foot with this obviously, but my foot is going to be mild, just like the normal job. But don't be you know, like how did you do your nail kind of thing. It's literally, you know, the same process I use in doing my nails that I'm going to use to do my foot is my toenails. Yeah, so it's going to be different. It's just to secure my toenails not to break as well, and this is literally the process. So I hope you like this video today. I'm going to leave you guys and go ahead and complete the drying and the process of these nails, but literally this is what it looks like. It's just a little bit that I applied at the last bit. Still need to obviously complete drying, but aside from that, this is what my nails looks like, and I really love it. I love it so much, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next other video, guys. please don't forget to subscribe, share this video and comment down below, and I'll be happy to obviously answer any question you've got down below, or any concern you may have, or any other question concerning any of my video, or whatever you want me to do on this channel next. Please don't stop telling me down there. Keep telling me and I'll make sure I'll do it. And I'll see you guys in my next other video, guys. Bye.